Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So in the last class we have learned about large numbers. We have learned the topic large numbers. So in large numbers we have studied about 10,000 numbers, lakhs numbers and crores numbers. In today's class let us learn about the topic use of commas. Use of commas. Here I take an example 2, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1. So, can you read this number immediately? Can you read this number suddenly? I think you are struggling to read this number. So, here something is missing. Something is missing. So, what is that? Have you found that? That is comma. That is comma. So we use this symbol to represent comma. We call this symbol as comma. This symbol is now comma anta kariti. So this comma plays a major role. This comma plays a major role while writing and reading the large numbers. It helps us. This comma helps us to write and read the large numbers. Okay, now let us see how this comma helps us to read and write the large numbers. Before going to that, we know that there are two systems of numerations. There are two systems of numerations. So, what are those? Those are Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So, you have already learned about these two numerations in the previous classes. So first one is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. And the second one is international system of numeration. There are two systems of numerations. The first one is Indian system of numeration and the second one is international system of numeration. So first let us take the first one, Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. So this is the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Place value chart of Indian system of numeration. So this row, this first row tells us the periods and this row tells us the places. From right side, the first place is ones place. The first place is ones place and the second place is tens place. Second place is tens place. T means tens. And here the third place is hundreds place. Third place is hundreds place. H means hundred. And here the fourth place is thousands place. And TH, that means 10,000. That means 10,000 place. And the next place is lakhs place. And the next place is 10 lakhs place. And the next one is crores place. And the last one is 10 crores place. We already learned about this place value chart. So here from right side, the first three places, that means ones place, tens place and hundreds place. These first three places are called ones period. From right side, the first three places constitute ones period and the next two places constitute thousands period and the next two places constitute lakhs period and the next two places constitute crores period. So we have made these three places as one places are ones period. And the next two places as thousands period. Therefore, the next two means 3 and 6. So these two places as thousands period, and the next two places as lakhs period. Here only one place is there, therefore it is in lakhs period. If we want to write comma for this number, we have to go according to these periods. We have to go according to these periods. The first period is ones period, therefore put one comma after the three numbers, after these three numbers, because ones period ends with these three places. Okay, so therefore after three numbers write one comma, again after two numbers put one comma. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 10,000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಕ್ರೋರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಗೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಲಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ we have to leave three places. We have to leave three places, ones, tens, hundreds, and then write one comma. ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ತ್ರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಲೀವ್ two numbers and put one commas. So it is called as, it is read as 25 lakhs 63,000 and 145. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Therefore it is 25 lakhs 63,000 and 145. It can be read as 4 lakh 63,521. Have you all understood? Okay. Once again I tell, in Indian system of numeration we use commas because this comma helps us to read and write the large numbers. So in this place value chart we can see the ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So we have made these three places. The first from left side, the first three places we made as ones period, and the next two places as thousands, and the next two places as lakhs, and next two places as crores. We use the first comma after the three numbers from the right side, and then two numbers, and then two numbers, and then it is two numbers. Okay, while writing these numbers, while writing the numbers in names, we should not use commas. For example, now I will write this number in names. We know that it is 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs. So after that comma is there. So we should not write this comma while writing the number in names. So don't write this comma. Then it is 63,000. 63,000. Don't write this comma, and it is 145. 145. larger numbers. This comma helps us to write and read the larger numbers. So if there is comma, we can easily write and read the large numbers. Have you all understood? Okay. Okay, now let us go for the second system of numeration, international system of numeration. So this is the place value chart of international system of numeration. First row tells us the periods and this row tells us the places. So we know that from the right side, the first place is 1's place, second place is 10's place, third place is 100's place, and the fourth place is 1000's place, fifth place is 10,000's place, and sixth place is 100,000's place. 100,000's place. HTH means 100,000. And the next place is millions. Next place is millions place and 10 millions. TM means 10 millions place and HM means 100 millions place. So here you can see from right side the first three places constitute 1's period. As Indian system of numeration, the first three places constitute 1's place, and the next three places constitute 1000's place, and the next three places constitute millions place. These three places constitute millions place. So in Indian system of numeration, there are 1's period, 1000's period, lakhs period, and crores period. But in international system of numeration, there are 1's period, 1000's period, and millions period. An example: 269541. 269541. We know that the first place is 1's place. So according to international system of numeration, I am writing first place is 1's place, second place is 10's place, third place is 100's place, fourth place is TH 1000. Fourth place is 1000 place, and the next place is 10,000 place, and the next place is 100,000 place. 100,000 place. 1's, 10's, 100,000's, 10,000's, and 100,000's. So 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place, and 100,000 place. So we know that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು 1's period ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Here we have taken these three places as 1's period. So divide these 1's period. 1's, 10's, 100. These three places as 1's period, and the next three places, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 places as 1000's period. So after 3,000, 10,000 and 100,000 as 1000's period. It is 1's period. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಮಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? So after how many numbers we have to put the comma? We have to put the first comma after three numbers. From right side, 1's, 10's, 100's. After 100, we have to put one comma. Again, after three numbers, we have to write another comma. So here, it is need not to write the comma because there is no number after this 2. Okay, so it is 269,541. 269,541. So I will write in names 269,541. only 1. We can write this number in names like this. So while writing the number names, you should not use the comma. The second example I take. So we know that in international system of numeration, from the right side, first leave 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, and then write 1 comma. Again leave 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and write 1 comma here. So it is, we know that it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, and it is millions place. Therefore it is 1,456,321. We can read this as 1,456,321. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, now take your textbook and open the page number 12. Page number 12. So in that, see the third main. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So first one is 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So we have to use commas for this number and we have to write this number in names. So we know that since it is Indian system of numeration, so from right side we have to leave 3 places. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಕಾಮಾ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಲೀವ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮಾವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ leave 3 numbers and put 1 comma. Again leave 2 numbers, then write 1 comma. Then again leave 2 numbers and write 1 comma. So now we have to write this number in names. So we know that it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. It is according to Indian system of numeration, and it is 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, and it is crores place. Therefore it is 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. 8 crore 75 lakh 75 lakh 95,762. 60. So we can write this number in number names. Understood? Okay. And see the fourth main. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. According to international system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration alli barri. ಈಗ ನಾವು international system of numeration alli ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Okay? ಇದೇ example ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So I will take the same example here. That is 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. It is 100,000, million, and it is 10 million. It is according to International System of Numeration. So we know that 8 is in 10 million space and 7 is in million space. Therefore, it is 87 million. 87 million. Don't use comma while writing the number names. 87,595,000. 595,000. 595,000 and 762. 762. So we can write this number in number names like this. Have you understood? So here they have given few problems to solve. So I have